Welcome back. Now, Audacity records very well the audio that you have streaming into your personal computer through the microphone jack or through the line-in jack. However, when you have audio playing on your computer, such as through a webinar or maybe perhaps a video, you may have trouble using Audacity to record that audio. There is a way to use it though, and you can do it by going to your menu on the left-hand side and then scrolling down to Windows WAS API. That's going to give you another set of choices. What you're going to do then is you're going to change your microphone to your speakers. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click the play button, and then we're going to click a video so that we can see that our PC is recording. As you can see, we can then record the audio on our computer as it is coming through our computer using Audacity as long as we have the correct settings set. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.